This flasher light is on the new Buddy L flat tire wrecker. There are tools to change the flat and a spare as well.
Buddy L's traveling zoo. It will be such fun for you.
Well, hey guys, now I already felt bad last Friday that I didn't get a video up and running, just too busy, Easter weekend and everything. This Friday, not looking too much better, but I wanted to give you something. Didn't want to be a complete slacker, so I thought I'd try to put this thing together. You've probably seen it in the background a time or two. Old Buddy L tow truck, all original. Found this at an antique store. I think it was 38 bucks. Talked the lady down to like 35 because I am really pretty shrewd, and this is all I got. Then I went online. I found 3 more original condition, I guess you could say, tires. Pretty beat up. Got a new siren bulb flasher dobe thing, and then I have this beat up pegboard rod or peg that I need to straighten. I'm actually going to cut this and use it as the front axle because it's the right size and it is coated, so it will match the original and I don't have to worry about coating anything. So kind of silly probably to cut up a good pegboard peg, but that's what's going to happen this time. Now I'm going to call this the unofficially the non-restoration or unrestoration or anti-restoration restoration video, because I am not going to do a single thing except clean it up, put it back together, and it will look like an all original. It will be all original other than the tires and the dome, not exactly coming from this particular truck. But the paint, original paint, is way too nice. The clear plastic is all intact, maybe a little scratched and fuzzy, blurry, but I'm not taking it all apart. I'm not stripping it. It would be a shame. You know, it's only original once. If I would sandblast this, powder coat it, or have it painted, yeah, it would be absolutely beautiful, but what have you got? All the originality's gone. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is dunk it in soap water, and I'm going to try to avoid getting the old wooden pulley wet and the original string here. Just don't think that would do any good for the wood there, you know. Wow, this thing is already looking a whole lot better. Amazing what just a little soap and water can do. Now I'm not going to get too carried away. I even thought about waxing it, but then you get wax in all the little crevices that you can't get out, and it looks worse than what you started with. So I'm going to use this McGuire's Quick Detailer. Now this thing is so low, it was already out the last 3 times I used it. But hopefully I can get something to happen here. Oh yeah. Just something to put a little shine back in the old paint here. Not getting too carried away with this at all. Low maintenance, that's what I am. Kind of looks like this bedside's tipping in a little bit. Straighten that by hand later if I feel I need to. Clear piece is really cleaned up nice, just washing it. This condition is like finding it in your grandma's basement or attic, you know? It was once played with, maybe by your dad long ago, and he didn't treat it too bad. It was worth saving. It was just put away. We got some little bit of rust spots here and there, just like it's been stored in a damper part of the house, you know, for a while. Personally, I would much rather find an all original one, even if it is a little scuffed up, than a restored one. So, alright, that's going to do it for the body. Now I'm going to go straighten this, cut it to length, and then we'll put the front tires on. I was going through my bin of pegboard pegs, and I set this down and I saw this sitting here. I don't know if I threw this to the side yesterday, but it's the same size. It's galvanized or zinc coated or whatever. It's the right size and I can get the right length out of it, so yippee! The crowning moment. Now be honest guys, if you saw that in an antique store, would you say, whoa, a complete all original Buddy L tow truck, dude? Well, it is. I mean, it's complete, it's all original. Tires are a little mangled and maybe a guy could do something with those, you know. They're a little scuffed up. But I'm happy with it. That'll go on the shelf just like it is. It'll look fine, and it is what it is. Anyway, that's all I have for you this time. I sure thank you for coming along with me. If you like to watch toy restoration videos, I have a couple others. There is a playlist. I think it's called Toys and Tools Restorations or something like that. Only a few things in there. I would like to do more. I have a pull type combine, probably from the 40s or 50s, that I would like to restore. That would be a lot of fun, and maybe once automotive projects slow down just a little bit around here, I can get into that. So anyway, that will do it for this week. I know it was a quick one. I've got lots of stuff coming up on real cars, so stick around. Come back soon. God bless you guys. We'll see you on the next one.
We suggest that you like and subscribe now.